y'all? It's your boy. Hope everybody's doing well, man. It's Friday. I done got out work and I got on Khrome. And I'm out here in the wind, baby. I'm headed to Black Gold Harley Davidson, man. I gotta get my, they feel like they adjusted now, but I wanna make sure that my sag is right on my suspension back here. So, you know, I took off the Revo A's and I got the Revo Arcs. Oh man, the ride feel totally different, man. You know me, I like to lean my bike in the curves, and it seems like it's a little bit different, baby. You know, when you know your bike, you can tell and you can feel a difference. You know what I'm saying? My camera just went off right here, but we're gonna keep rocking right here with this one. But you can tell a little bit of difference. I do have my batteries with me. But you can actually tell the difference in your ride. If there's something wrong with your ride, you know. If you know your bike and you wrench on your bike and you ride your bike, you know your bike. But man, I've been asked to do something and I'm finna do it. I've been putting it off since I got the 128 kit on here, but I am getting ready to do it. Yes, I am. I am putting the Khrome Werks back on. A lot of people ask me, well, why did you switch out anyway? Because they were talking about the performance. Why? I know putting them back on, I'm going to have the bike tested to see what the numbers would be. I might get it re-dynoed and everything. I'm not sure. But I really want to know. You know, ever since people been saying it to me, it's been in the back of my mind as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get my bike. Got the Khrome Werks on here. Sounding good as always. And I want to thank Jared from Khrome Werks. He sent me the loofah baffles. And I'm going to put the loofah baffles to work and see what the numbers are. They supposed to be horsepower and torque baffles. So yeah, man. So we're going to do that and see what the numbers are. I really want to know the numbers. I know it probably won't be a drastic change, a big change in it. But I'm looking for my horsepower to go up. I'm not going to even lie. I'm looking for my horsepower to go up at least to 140. I'm going to say that. With the tab performance on, I was getting 132 horsepower and I was getting 150 torque. So next week we are getting the bike re-dynoed, and I'm going to definitely come and give you the numbers, because I'm not going to even lie. People hit me in my Facebook, Instagram, hit me on YouTube, tell me, hey man, what's the difference? Why you leave your Khrome Werks? Why you do this? You losing this, you losing that. So, you know, I wanted to see what I was losing. I really do. You know, because I'm not going to rest until I know what's going to happen. You know the numbers. Try to know the numbers myself. So yeah, but that's what's going on. But we had the Black Gold, y'all, and I'm going to get these fixed. So, but going to get them adjusted. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do. But man, hey, to all my new subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Oh man, really, dude? Come on, man. God, that dude recording too. I don't know who he is, but this dude just pulled out in front of both of us. But yeah, that's what's going down. So I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what I'm doing, you know, because I like both exhausts, and I bought my Khrome Werks 2 in the 2 with my money. This is nothing that nobody sponsored me. Boy, these people driving bad on Friday. They just hitting their brakes, and nobody in front of this car, and they're just hitting their brakes like that. Oh my God, man, this bike, y'all, I'm not gonna even lie to you. I can tell a little bit difference right there. I really can. I know a lot of people probably saying you can't, but man, I will see y'all at Black Gold, and I'm definitely gonna give you the numbers and let you know what numbers Khrome is getting with the Khrome Werks 2 in the 2. We already know what my other exhaust is doing. So I get up with y'all. All right, let's get these fixed. Peace. We are here, baby. They having a haul ride. They had that every Friday, and there'd be a bunch of them, man. There'd be a gang of them over here. So yeah, we here at Black Gold. Y'all know this is my store. These my peeps. These my peeps, baby. Yeah. Yeah, we here. Look at me. I pull it right up in the door, baby. That's what I do. But boy, man, these Khrome Werks sound good. Hey, let me stop that. Let me get off the bike. All right. But yeah, y'all see it. I got the Khrome Werks on there, baby. They look good. That's one thing I do like about Khrome Werks. Look at everything that I got on here with the chrome and the black. It just flows. My whole bike is like that contrast, like my shifter, my linkage, just my whole bike is contrast. I'm gonna tell you one thing that I'm gonna change that's gonna be contrast. I'm gonna get the rear brake lever right there. So yeah, but let's get in here. All right, peace. Yeah, I just put that Killer Be Gliding on there. Boy, that baby look good though. Yeah. Hey, you know one thing I like about the Khrome Werks? Their tips, man. It just flows with my bike.
It does fit.
Yeah, it does. I love that. Their finish is off the chain.
Now, do you like those
But
handlebars?
Huh?
Do you like those handlebars?
Oh, I love them, man. You can maneuver your bike real good with those bars.
You're the only person I know with them so far.
The guy was in here on the green bike. What's his name?
I don't fucking know.
He comes in here all the time. He had his bike over here yesterday. Jules know his name. He got the Venom Green bike. He got the exact same seat I got in the boards, and he said he got him because he was watching the channel.
I know you're talking about actually, but I never.
The older guy.
He's got the.
Oh, he got the same bars.
No shit.
Yeah,
Huh.
same bars.
Oh, look, I don't know. I guess I didn't pay enough attention. But I'm looking at your bike all the time.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go holler at.
I bet it felt good tonight.
Oh yeah. Hey, but if you want to sit on it, man, or ride it, man, you can.
I should take you up on that.
Yeah.
A little surprise. It's Julius's birthday today.
Oh, it sure is. Yeah, they did tell me that yesterday.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think he knew anybody knew.
Finna get those get my deals adjusted.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I think they seem pretty cool though.
Dude, I was super confused. He was like, yeah, and I was like, are you trying to buy them? I thought you already got them. He's like, I did. I'm like, okay, I'm fucking tired of this. I don't know what's going on.
No, I was telling him I got the Revo Arcs now instead of the Revo A's. And dude, the ride felt good, dude. I'm not gonna even lie. The ride felt real good. So I'm finna see if Chris will he's supposed to be trying to get them adjusted for me, so I'm gonna go check on them and see. So yeah, let's go see Wally.
What's up, baby? How are you?
Chilling, man. Chilling. Matt like he in deep thought over here. Oh, there go both of them right here. What up, y'all? Me and Matt finna mess around. I know I can't hold Matt at all. Matt back as fast as heck. He talking about he want to race. Y'all see this sucker got the D&D on here? That's crazy. You ready? We finna go race, y'all. We finna take it to the street. He got a 131 on his bike. But yeah, he got that 131. But yeah, man, we finna take it to the street, me and my boy Matt. Man, y'all hear that bike back there? Let's go. That boy clean. Yeah. I'm coming on with it, baby. I'm gonna come on with it, man. I ain't gonna let him leave me like that. I ain't gonna let him do me like that. Yeah, man. Yeah, he got that 131. He got some big stuff on there. He rocking the D&D on there. He got the stabilizer on that, baby. Y'all, I done went with Matt to the track. And Matt races all the time. But I ain't gonna let him do me like that, baby. Cause I can go with it, man. Look at that 115, 120. Woo! 120, baby. That boy was still pulling. Still pulling. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! That boy was still pulling, baby. I'm gonna tell you, man, I can tell the difference with these Khrome Werks, man, on the performance side, man. I really can tell. If you know your bike and know what you've been riding, know what you've been rocking, you can tell your horse, your throttle response and everything. And it's a different response to it. So yeah, man, I'm gonna put the loop of baffles in. They having a contest up here tomorrow up here, a live pipe contest, and they having a horsepower contest. So something, they putting the bikes on the dyno about 9 o'clock. So y'all, if you want to come up and rock, you can. See what your bike dyno at. So y'all come on up here and see. I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna be up here, and I want to see what it's gonna do, boy. But man, I'm not gonna keep y'all in this traffic, man. I enjoyed my day. I had a great day at work. I made it home safe and sound to the family. I got to ride Khrome. I got my suspension adjusted, and I'm good, baby. I'm good. I'm living life. Stay where you at, baby. Stay where you at. Hey, some of these people pull out in front of you, man. So you gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. Like Tyler Perry said, you gotta watch. But man, I'm loving the sound again on my Khrome Werks, dude. I've been with the tabs for a while. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all in this traffic, baby. Until next time, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed and safe weekend. All right, I'm out. Peace.